Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mariam Nur Akila binti Abdullah together with my partner Nur Amalin Huda binti Rozuki. The title given for our video is Sequence and Series. Let's watch and enjoy our video. Sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference d between each consecutive term is a constant. The given formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where an is the nth term of the sequence, a is the first term of sequence, and d is the common difference between the terms. Next one is geometric sequence. Is a sequence of numbers in which the ratio between consecutive terms is constant. The given formula is an is equal to a times r to the power of n minus 1, where a is the first term of sequence, r is the ratio between consecutive terms. Series. Arithmetic series is a sum of an arithmetic sequence. The given formula is Sn is equal to n over 2 times a1 plus an. It also can be written as Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a1 is the first term, an is the nth term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Next one is geometric series. Is a sum of geometric sequence. There are two types of geometric series. The first one is finite geometric series. The given formula is. The next one is infinite geometric series. The given formula is.
Application of sequence and series. So for number A, a child building a tower with block uses 15 fundamental row. Each row has 2 fewer blocks than the previous row. Suppose that there are 8 rows in the tower. So for A, how many blocks are used for the top row? And B, what is the total number of blocks in the tower? So we will move to the calculation. For A, how many blocks are used for the top row? So the number of blocks in each row forms an arithmetic sequence with A1 equal to 15 and D equal to negative 2. So we need to find AN equal to 8 by using the formula AN equal to A1 plus N minus 1 bracket D. So we substitute with A8 equal to 15 plus bracket 8 minus 1 times with negative 2, and we will get A8 equal to 1. So there is just one block in the top row. So for B, what is the total number of blocks in the tower? Here we must find the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequence formed with A1 equal to 15, n equal to 8 and a8 equal to 1 in the previous calculation by using the formula Sn equal to n over 2 in the bracket a1 plus an. So we substitute S8 equal to 8 over 2, 15 plus 1 bracket. So we will get S8 equal to 64. There are 64 blocks in the tower.
The question given is, an insect population is growing in such a way that each new generation is 1.5 times as large as the previous generation. Suppose there are 100 insects in first generation. So A, how many will there be in fifth generation? So we find the answer by using the geometric sequence formula, which is an is equal to a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So we just need to substitute the value of n, which is 5, the value of A1, which is 100, and the value of R, which is 1.5. And we will get the answer, which is 506.25. However, because this was inset, so we just put the answer as 506. For B, what will be the total number of insects in the 5th generation? So, we find the answer by using the formula for the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence, which is Sn is equal to A1 times 1 minus R to the power of n over 1 minus R. We just substitute the value of n, which is 5, A1 100, and R 1.5, and we will get the answer, which is 1318.75. So, the total population for the 5th generation will be about 1319 insects.
For the conclusion, aromatic and geometric sequence is applied to almost every aspect of our life, from buying our favorite chocolate to saving money in bank. Simply anything that increase or decrease in a specific pattern by a constant number gives us aromatic sequence. On the contrary, in a geometric sequence, each element is the common multiply of the preceding term. We just have to analyze and identify whether it is used in our day-to-day activities. That's all from us. Thank you.